Good morning. Happy New Year's to everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. I don't think I even sent out this email. Send. Okay. Oh, I think we have buys coming up here. I don't know what the schedule is or what's moving on right now, but let's see if we have anything down here. There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Some kind of cell going on, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second. Let's see. Let's take a cheat sheet here. Why am I doing all that manually? Yeah, sell to the 3-minute blue line, sell to the 5-minute blue line, SPXES1. Let's take a look at that. To the 5-minute blue line, SPX for sure. Let's see the 3-minute for sure, 4-minute. Sell to the 4-minute blue line, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
That's ESPXES1 to the 4-minute blue line. I would never do a sell, but that's what's going to happen. After that, you could take any sell stop, but after that, you can go ahead and look for any buy stop higher time frame, which I'm guessing where are we highest at? 77-minute. 120 full ones would be here. So let's go to the 90-minute and see what's up with SPX. Buy stop 90-minute. Let's see. That ain't right. SPX is above it. Whoa, what? Am we on the right one here? Oh, it's just not a buy stop to it. My bad. So the highest buy stops I'm seeing here are the 2 hours. So let's go over to that 2 hour and see what's going on. Yeah. We have a, yep. 2 hour buy stop. Love the trade. I'm going to call NAS for you guys. NAS buy stop 2 hour, take profit $125,538.65. $25,584.66. And I love the take profit of $25,639.04. And that's for now. They're all going to do the same thing. So just be ready for the 2 hour buy. Let me go back over here. Maybe I can still add in my stuff I need to do. MailChimp, it still hasn't sent out the mail. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with Stan sending out their emails? I ain't got time. I wasted so much fucking time. That's ridiculous. Silly time, sorry. All right, let me add in these. Hell, tell you what I should do. Hold on. We're going to not do that. Let's just go over to here and see how this is looking. Do I want to open that up? I do not. We'll stay right there. All right. What do we got? So that's the first call out of today. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Sevens if you guys can hear me on YouTube okay. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Oh, we got 5 people. A little somebody. Good morning. I'm sure Lazarus is there. Good morning, Lazarus. Yep, there's Lazarus. Oh, good morning. What's up, Mike Glowinski? Oh, a whole bunch of people over there. My bad. Hold on. Let's go over to. Good morning and welcome. Being first here is Dwayne Reed. Good morning, Dwayne. How are you, sir? Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Jones 808. Matter of factly, I'm just going to leave it for now. Good morning, Cardman. Good morning, Dustin. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Grant. Lots of sevens. I guess you guys can hear me. Morning, Fletch. Good morning, Mike Jones 808. Good morning. I'm not sure who this is. TJ King. Welcome to the channel if you're new. And good morning, Mike. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, Kia Alex. How's everybody doing this morning? Oh man. Oh, getting excited. Besides the sells and the buys I just called for you, I'm excited about all the upcoming things that we have. We're almost to SPX's 4-minute blue line. It'll be going down to there soon. And then look for the buy stops to click in later today by 9:30, no later than 10:30 today. They'll be kicking in. All right. Exciting news. Like all over the damn place. We have so much stuff going on. Let me see something really quick. The consistency class. We are now offering a consistency class. It'll be done every other week or so, depending on my schedule. Maybe less, maybe more. It's sold out. Well, we don't charge for it, so it's free. It's full. How about that? Well, it's sold out in a way. So there is no more openings. I believe the class will be recorded and uploaded to YouTube. So if you miss it or can't attend it, that's okay. Morning, Marley Mar. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. I still can't believe the email has not gone out through Stan. This is quite annoying. Like, really annoying. Hoy. All right, where were we? Hold on, let me go back over here. News, don't care. 8:40. Jeez, oh pizza, am I even have time to do anything this morning? I think I'll be staying past open this morning, at least a little bit anyways. Yeah, that email still hasn't sent. Son of a beeswax. Hold on, let me get in here real quick to see who's here. Good morning, Ryan Marcus. Lazarus, it's my time on TikTok. It's my time. It's now on now. Which email? I have not received any emails from Stan. Nice. What Starlink are you using, Pay Dude? Are you using the portable Starlink? Good morning, Bob. Bob Uten, good morning. We just rewatched uh, Groundhog Day with not Chevy Chase. Oh my gosh. The What About Bob dude? Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Oh my goodness. Well, anyway, we watched that movie and he was in it. It was funny. Good morning, Thomas Crowell. The Starlink. So you have the portable. How are you using it on the plane though? Because the portable one still needs that thing. How are you using I have Starlink at the house now. It's the big version. I was tempted to get the small one. How is that working? Because my brother-in-law has the small version, but it's still, you can't do that on a plane. So how is that working on a plane? Oh, you mean the plane is using Starlink. Ah, okay. Because I wanted to bring my Starlink on the ship. I figured they're gonna get pissed at me though. Um, good morning, Stacy Ocho. Good morning, positive relationships. Good morning, Sog. Bill Murray, yes. When Bill Murray, thank you, Jake. Thank you, Glow. I think the plane uses Starlink. Yeah, that's what he was saying. I was slow. I'm tired this morning. Oh my God, I slept late. Their land is retrofitted. They're playing with Starlink. No, that's smart. Finally, it went out. Okay, now we have it out. So the email you just received is from Stan. It should have went out at 8:15 this fucking morning. Oh, sorry, this freaking morning. I'm trying to do better about swearing. I swear. I swear. That's funny. I'm trying not to swear, and then I just swore. That was the joke. Oh, my phones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 iPhones. 6 iPhones. I'm using one, but for my personal use, I mean, and then the other 5 are just whatever. I have no idea. One I'm using for I wonder if I can add that in now, but I don't think if I add it, I can use the volume. It's so weird with that shit. All right, let's see if this is. So we don't have TikTok on this phone? How can we not have Apple on one of my iPhones? One of them's my mom and dad's older one they had before they passed. Oh, forget I ain't got time for this shit. I'll look at it later. All right. Elf. What's up, El Flacco? Or Elf. I'm going to call him Elf. It's probably El Flacco. Good morning, everyone. Yep, good morning. All right, exciting news. Our consistency class, it's our first one ever. It is filled. Matter of fact, it got so overflowing, it filled, and then other people tried to schedule other appointments because our thing wasn't filling right. Calendly blows as a calendar type thing. But anyway, it's open to everyone. The cost is $0. First come, first serve. This is actually the first time you guys have ever seen anything really and truly sold out. You cannot attend the class live anymore. There's only 20 people in this class. I'll open it up to 30 maybe next time. And this is for anyone, whether they have the system or not. It is free. I'll be doing a consistency class every other week or so, different time periods, depending on when I have available. And it's going to be a closed group. And it's filled. You can't attend it. So sevens, if you understand that we have a new class free to everyone, whether you have the system or not, but you have to sign up for it. If you don't sign up for it, then you don't get it. I swear, we saw Fire and Ash or whatever, that movie. Where's my drink at? We should have never. I ate popcorn late. I had a pizza late. Um, yeah, I'm not good when I eat or drink late at night. I should never have done it that late. It got over as like 11. Not that that's late. We stayed up till 1, but whatever. Late enough. Good morning, Orlando. Blessed morning to you too. Blessings to everyone listening, and I appreciate the blessings back. Good morning, 501 Penfish. I love when he comes in. He's so positive, so happy. Rise and shine, everyone. Demo money never sleeps. That is true. But I need more sevens than that. So sevens across the board. If you realize we have a consistency class. The consistency class is brand new. It's just starting. The first one will be tomorrow. It is literally sold out, even though it's free. That means it's filled. No one else can attend. And that brings up my next point after I get a lot of sevens. So I need sevens, understanding that there is a new class to help you become a more consistent trader, helping you become more of a demo consistent trader. I need to see sevens out my ass. Otherwise, we're not going to be going on. So understand that there is a new class. This one happens to be tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. It is filled to the rim. No more people can attend. I limited it to, I think it was 20. I think it might have expanded to 30, but definitely 20 people. They signed up. They're in. You guys aren't. So look out for that. Do not email me asking questions about it, but understand that there'll be an email going out about once every other week. Look for it. When it says to sign up, sign up. When it says it's going to fill up, it'll fill up. Trust me. We could have filled 50 people with the class, 100 people. How do I know? Because fucking to a freaking 20 other people signed up in a different day that wasn't even being offered. So there's that. So it's obviously going to be a big hit. And I'm going to go ahead and let me see if I can go backwards. I don't know. It's so weird how this thing works. I wish it would go back just enough. See, it's not going to do it. Fuck. All right. We have touchdown. The sell to the 4-minute blue line on SPX is hit. You may profit from here to here. You're welcome on that. Look at that thing go down. Told you. And that is your sell is being complete. Let me see if we can go to that 5-minute for you guys. Hold on. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, no. Is it freezing again? No. No. There you go. Sell. Yep, it's already there. It's going to touch this blue line on the 5-minute. SPX sell to the 5-minute blue line. Yes, let's please get those thumbs up. 34 of you there, say 40 plus the others. We got about 50 people. Not a lot, but a few. Very happy with that. All right, so the consistency class. Now, this brings us up to another almost sold out. It was sold out. I had to re-add some people in there, some spots in there. And this one has me up at night. I couldn't sleep last night because of this one. I really got to thinking, oh, geez, what the fuck now? No, you've been running so good. What is going on? Whoa. Come on. Oh, shit. Think it's about to go blank on us. Fuck. What's up, KSISI? KASISI. Welcome to the channel. And right now we're having a little technical difficulties, which I just fixed. Yeah, it's going to blow it out, isn't it? Come on. The Avatar Fire and Hash movie was good. Typical Avatar stuff, real pretty. I mean, just gorgeous. And then we saw the Sydney Sweeney movie thing. House-made. That was real good. That had some twists and turns in it. That was real good. I don't even know if you guys can hear me anymore on YouTube. Shit. What the fudgicles? Oh my God. You can't free up the memory, but I was able to prioritize TradingView, and it seemed to be working the last several lives. Let me see if I can refresh the stream. I mean, I don't know what else to do. We bought a new laptop. I had to give that one to Bree, though, because hers started screwing up right after we got it, actually. So I guess I can go get another brand new laptop. Fuck. Damn. Didn't really want to do that. It's too much work getting them all set up and doing everything, but son of a beeswax. Fuck. What's weird is I didn't even go outside the thing. Usually it makes it... All right, good. Here's what we needed to see. Yeah, I know you guys aren't seeing anything. I got you. Hold on. There we go. Good morning, Lachey. We can hear you. Okay, cool. All right, now you can maybe see me. All right. Here we go. Apply to join this group. This is a surprise we sold out. So I limited it to 50. You guys blew through the 50 in 2 seconds. And then this right here, where it says Safe Trade System VIP demo trade application space is extremely limited. Over 100 members have joined already. I added the final 20. I'm not going over 25. So when it said that's only all that's left is 8. Shit. I just did the 25 yesterday. Well, there's 8 left, and that's it. After this 8 is done, your name will be put on a waiting list. And just like the class, this will sell out, and it's done. Period. No one else will be able to join after these 8 are done. So if you're even thinking about joining this, then what is this? This is to apply to join our private VIP demo trading group. What does that mean? Okay. What it means is this. Apply to join, space extremely limited. Yeah, it is. I told you. You received acceptance and rejection email within 24 to 48 hours. So basically, everybody but one person was permitted in and joined and was able to join. When I send out the next email, it'll be to actually pay for the program. Right now, we don't care about that. It's just getting people that are interested in it. And it was an enormous. So what is it? You're applying to be able to purchase this. On average, I think I'll provide a month somewhere between 5 and 50 plus a month. But with trading, you just never know. So I don't know if these are my personal trades I'll be calling out for you guys. We'll have our own private groups, meetings. We're going to have our own private trading sessions. We're going to have our own private everything. This is going to be for people who are deadly serious about, good morning, Super Z, about the trading with the system. This will be my personal trades. Good morning, Marley Mar. I seem to be missing someone here. Hold on. Let me see something. Oh, that's Kiasi. Yes. There you go. All right. There we go. So everything here is basically my demo trades that I personally take or would take or have other, how would I word this? That I would personally take will be sent out to you with entrances, exits, your take profits, your stop losses. And it's just what if you're expecting 100% win rate, don't. I guarantee I'll send out some trades when I'm sleepy and stuff. Going to be challenging to be proven correct, but I expect to be 9 out of 10 for sure. That shouldn't be an issue. If you cancel this service, you will not be permitted to rejoin this group. Space is extremely limited. See, I thought we'd limit it to 25 and 50, but we blew through those things so fast it wasn't even funny. So now we're down to the last 9. If you are accepted, you will get unlimited demo trades. My personal demo trades are ones that I would take. You will receive these demo trades through a private VIP Discord room, maybe even by text is what I'm thinking. But anything that makes it harder for me, I'm not doing. You can cancel your monthly charge. You can always cancel anything with me at any time you'd like, but you're expected to stay in this group for 1 year if you join it. If you don't think you commit to a year, please don't join this group. I expect to have a 90% or higher win rate. You just never know. I expect to have minimal drawdowns, but you just never know. Now, the minimal drawdowns will be on the 3-minute and under trades. You're going to have some, 90% likely, you're going to have some drawdown on the 3-month, 12-hour kind of trades. Trust me on that. But there'll be different types of trades I'll be sending out. Everything from 15-second up to 12 months, I'll be sending out trades that I personally take or would be taking. I will be providing long-term trades that will take months or longer, demo only. I will be providing trades for options, daily type trades, demo only. I'll be providing scalping trades, can't even spell it right, for funded traders, 15-second through 3 minutes. I will be providing all the types of trades you can want, demo only. You must sign the NDA. Choosing a broker is up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, demo trade only. I have the right to change this, to change the charges, change what I'm doing. And believe me, if I don't have time for this, I'll cancel this completely in a month or two. Well, I'll make that 2 or 3 months. Hey, Kevin, Making Cash Online. What's up, Making Cash Online? Welcome. Please understand that trading is inherently dangerous. You may and probably will lose demo money. No refunds are given, so please ask questions before purchase if you are unaware. Type yes if you're going to be bound by the NDA. Type yes if you agree to all that crap. Your name, your address, your phone number, your TradingView name, your Discord name, and then I do not have the safety trade system. People who don't have the safety trade system get my personal demo signals, but they'll be paying $770 a month. I do have an active trading. That'd be $350 a month if you have the system. I do have the active ATS, and I have $150 a month auto drawed, or I can afford to pay whatever you can afford to pay. Let us know. What date did you get to say? What date did you get? And if it's been a year or two approximately, that's fine. You must apply to get into this group. Please choose one of the following. I'm willing to commit to this monthly payment for a year. I am not. I am willing to commit for how many months? Please explain why we should accept you into the group. And again, if you've been a troublemaker and if you've sent too many emails, or if you've asked too many questions, or if you spoke badly of the system, unless I get an apology email from you first and it's from your heart, you will not be accepted into this group. I've already rejected one person out of 100. That's the way it's going to probably be on the average. You agree never ask to refund because you can cancel this at any time. I don't want to get into that, but don't do it. Just don't do it. And then this is your sign up stuff. So 7s, if you all understand. What's up, Cody Scheffler? Dang, Kev, I wish I could do this. Why can't you, Cody? What's the problem? Good morning, Lachey Trades. Good morning, Lachey. Anyone can join this. Even if you don't have the system, if you can't afford to pay what we have, I have a thing in here. I can afford to pay. Boop. And that's what you'd click. Boop, boop. So sevens, if you understand. Morning, George. Sevens, I need a lot of them. If you guys understand that we have a new private demo group, trading group. By private, I mean it'll be totally separate from everything I'm doing on these lives that you see. I should have done this a while ago. I've been real lazy about it. It's been on my heart for the last year. I've just been not wanting to put that kind of extra time and effort into this. I really don't feel it, but I'm going to do it because I know a lot of you need to make some good, consistent demo money. I thought you could do it through my Signal service. I don't know. I'm trying everything to help you guys. This is just another way. It's all I can do. Believe me, charging $150 a month for my trades that I make is extraordinarily cheap. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm going to have to jack the prices up, quite frankly. But for now, I'll leave it there. But I need a lot of sevens saying you understand that there is a private VIP demo group. Private, meaning we'll have about, I don't even know if I'll keep 100. I might just push it back down to like 50 or so and kick everybody out. And just the first 50. We'll see. Anyway, as it sits now, we'll have about 125 members in the group. If I don't like that number, I'll put you on a waiting list. It's open to everybody, whether you bought the system or not. You're just going to pay a shit ton more if you haven't bought the system. I would absolutely buy it. It's silly not to. All right, but that's this. Yeah, I'm so excited about it. I don't know how to word it to you. We'll see how it flows out. If it's too much work, I'm not going to continue to do it. And then you can also get the unlimited monthly signals right there. Someone just bought those this morning, actually. So there you go. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Okay. Does anybody have any questions over the private VIP demo trading group that is coming up? When you signed up for it, we'll send out the email sometime during that second week of January when we get back from our cruise. That'll be the time you actually pay for it. First come, first serve. If you signed up and you paid for it, you'll have 1 week to pay for it. If you don't pay for it, you will be pushed to the back of the line. You will no longer be allowed in the group, and you'll be pushed to the back of the line. So if there's 20 people ahead of you, you will wait for the 20 people to sign up and pay and all that. Then you can maybe do it again. So you have 1 week from the time that I send out the email, which will be roughly speaking the week of January the 12th. The sign up email will go out to make the payment for that. And then the service will start either the 12th, the 19th, the 22nd, 26th, or February 1st. Whenever I send out that payment email, that's when the group will start. Okay. So hopefully everybody understands that. Good morning, Eric. Eric Ramsey Bolton. No. All right. So no questions over anything. I don't see anything. Good morning, Aussie Trader. What's up, Aussie Trader? Any questions regarding the private trading group? Any questions regarding the new consistency class that has already been filled? And I'm telling you, when this is done, you guys won't be able to join, at least for a while. So we'll see how that works out. I might have open remote enrollment on the private trading group every quarter. I might allow more people in. Maybe. We'll see. Can you imagine? Just the other day, I added the final 25 slots and we're down to fucking 8. This is incredible to me. Man, I didn't think the class would go, or the group would go over that big. That's incredible. 8 slots left. Whatever. And if you can't afford to pay what the prices are on there, mark what you can afford to pay. Just make sure you're not over your head. That's why I have that spot in there. I'm not saying you will or won't get chosen if you can't make the full payment that's expected, but we'll see. Put down what you can afford to pay and we'll go from there. Believe me, me and Bree have helped out shit tons of people. We're almost to the 5-minute SPX. Let's take a look at that SPX real quick. Oh, it's already hit it once. It's going to go back and hit it again. Ricochet back down to the 5-minute blue line, SPX 5-minute sell. I wouldn't do any sells. I'd be looking for 2-hour buys is the way I would enter this trade. 2-hour buy stops. I'm so excited with all the new things coming up. So some of you may or may not have heard, but let's go over all the exciting things. And I should have took a picture of this one. I don't know why I didn't. Hold on. Oh, we need to move this back over to here, over to there. Let's go over to here. Oh, will be joining us about one time a week or so, starting in January. That's exciting. Bree, listen to this.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we finish our song? See all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system. We're going up.
She threw that in there because some silly person. We have a new learning class to help you all be more consistent, called the consistency oh, hold on one second here. Going on a cruise. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Or $7,777. Taking notes on what I'm writing down or copying or taking a picture so you could be aware. Actually, I got to take a screenshot myself. Okay, now where is my little thingamajigger? Does anybody have any questions of anything on the screen? Morning, Aussie Trader, Kassisi. Good morning, Eric. What's going on? There we go. There we go. And there we go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's try that and let's do a new recapture here. There. Yes. Good morning, Jan. Any questions of what you see on the screen? I'm about to take it down. Really, really happy. Matter of factly, I think we even have this working. Let's see.
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we finish our song? See all that green and one red? That's a buy stop for the safety track system. We're going up.
She's so cute. I just love my wife so much. Okay. I think we're good on that. TikTok, Aussie Trader, we're good. All right. We have market open in about 15 minutes. We have it already hit twice. We have a ricochet back down to the 5-minute blue. It's there now for the third time. Sell to the 5-minute blue line. SPX is in the money for the third time, which means all the indices also went down. Let's see if we can make this a little bit closer for us. Maybe the 4-minute. I just touched it. Fuck. Sell towards the blue line, US 35-minute. Or you can do the 2-hour buy stop, which will happen probably right after open, but as it is, we'll sit there. Now, let me I didn't even explain this. Oh, fuck. Ho, ho, ho. This is the most exciting news of all, and we almost missed it. Let's see. All right. Now, he came back on and helped. And watch what you're seeing. This is so fucking cool. Watch. We had a 1 hour. We have a 2 hour. Who is this with? 2 hour. 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 2 hour Oh, Target. Let's go back out of here. I want to go to NAS and show you something so fucking cool. Okay. The robot has been cleared. So the robot, as the re-entries have been fixed by Spidey, can't thank him enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keys Kids, KJ and Chad are still working on other code. It's just at this time they're not working on the single code. We have 4 versions of the robot coming. Now look what you're about to see. It's so exciting. So a lot of you may or may not understand what I'm about to go over, but I'm just going to give you a once over on it. If you want me to go further into detail, here, this is just some fun stuff. Your life, your quality of life equals your pattern recognition. Some of you may or may never have heard of that before, maybe the other day when I was talking about it. So what does that mean? Your pattern recognition. If you wake up in the morning and you are sleepy and you don't give thanks to God and you don't do all of your therapies or all of your stuff to make you feel better and keep you feeling better, and you're miserable, and as soon as you open your eyes, you say, oh, my life is shit. My life is hell. I won't be successful today. Nothing good ever happens to me. Life is going to be terrible. Then you proceed to wake up and eat shit for breakfast. You proceed to take a bowl of, I don't know, Fruit Loops, and you take a bowl of whatever, and you mix in milk, which we're the only mammal on earth to drink milk after you've been weaned from it. I don't understand our logic in our minds. And you eat shit, and you drink a glass of old orange juice that you think is good for you, and you eat shit. And then you don't walk 10,000 steps a day. You don't lift weights. You don't do cardio. You're doing a downward pattern of doom. Say you get up and light a cigarette when you first get up. Say you have a drink, and yes, they do. Oh my God, you're on a cruise ship. People drink 24/7. Or you drink at 9 in the morning, you call it a mimosa, and you said, oh, well, I can drink alcohol because I renamed it and I put orange juice in it. And if you have all these bad patterns, all what you call habits, all these bad patterns in your life, and you wonder why your life is shit, well, hello, wake up. Good morning, Matt Parker. Morning, Jan. Morning, Eric. Morning, Jan. Morning, Matt. So that is a poor or terrible quality of life, and you've created a pattern that's self-fulfilling. Okay? So say you woke up and you're in beta waves instead of alpha waves. I used to go in this a lot, but I think you guys, it lost you lots of times, but whatever. And then you're not in the right state of mind. You're scared trading. You're jittery. You're drinking nothing but caffeine and energy drinks. You eat real late at night. You get up in the middle of the night and have a cheeseburger like Elvis did at 2:00 in the morning, forcing him to wake up. I mean, crazy shit. You will reap the harvest of those actions. Correct, Matt Parker. That's correct. So everybody understands that. But watch this. Say you have the pattern recognition. Say you say, hey, I'm going to wake up in the morning and it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to give thanks to God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with Him. I'm going to thank Him for another day of Bree being in my arms or sleeping next to me inside the bed. I'm going to be truly grateful for another breath that I get to breathe. Truly grateful that there was a storm last night that woke me up. Truly grateful that I was able to see the movie. So in other words, you have an attitude of gratitude, and you wake up and you do your Wim Hof breathing. You do your lifting weights. You do some cardio on the treadmill before you go on the live. You do all kinds of positive things. Those are also patterns. If you consistently get up and thank God, if you consistently get up and eat go for I wouldn't even eat until go for a fast till about 2 p.m, skip breakfast, maybe eat around 11, 12, 1, whatever you like. and you eat healthy, and all of a sudden you eat nothing but single ingredient whole with respect, including yourself, and you have good self-talk. You say, hey, today I wonder what exciting things are going to happen to me today. I wonder what new things I'm going to learn. I wonder if today's the day I'm going to get consistent with the safety trade system, or better yet, say to yourself, today is the day I'm consistent with the safety trade system. Say it as present tense is how you're supposed to say your affirmations and all your positive thinking. And say you do that. Okay. What's up, Adam? Good morning, Adam. Okay. You reap what you sow. Okay. Now, the same pattern recognitions can be this: your life, your quality of life, 7 minutes to market open, your quality of life and your trading quality. Watch this. You're going to say, what? Your trading win rate equals your pattern recognition. Aha. This is where I got people. Okay. So if you can find these high probability winning patterns, see, this is where you guys are different. You guys think you can use shitty old ways of trading to create new patterns. You can't create new winning patterns at trading with the old ways of trading. Does that make sense to you? Yes or no? I wake up, hit the line. What's up, JWin865? So I just explained to you how your quality of life is your pattern recognition. So for instance, if you're just running on empty and you don't recognize anything, you don't see what you're doing, you blame everyone else, you have the victim mentality and that everything is everybody else's problem, you're never going to win at life. If you can recognize that you're not in a good pattern and that you're going to create a new pattern of life, you're going to have a better life. If you understand the old ways of trading created a losing win rate for you, then you need new way of trading to create a new pattern of winning. Okay. Sevens, for those of you, I see some, Matt. Sevens, if you guys understand this. Nines, if you don't. And I only have about 5 minutes. I got to get over to live trading. So quickly answer. 1 million sevens for improving your life patterns. Correct, Cardman. 1 million sevens is about the right answer. Okay. Because it's this important that you have to understand these patterns are being recognized. So watch one of these patterns in real life. This is so fucking amazing. When you see this, you're going to be like, wow, I think I have time to show you. Well, we have a 30-minute buy stop called by the system, right? Correctly. Now it's trying to call a 1 hour. Interesting. And then the 2 hour hasn't been called. What does this mean to you? Let me be clear. The pattern of my system is a winning pattern, a high probability winning pattern. Can we get an 8-ball for the chat? Okay. Not sure what that means, but there you go. So we have a 30-minute. The next one to form is a 1 hour. It hasn't hit yet. Do you see the orange? It's triggered. When this price action goes above this orange line, you will enter this trade and you will be in a winning trade on the 1 hour buy stop on NAS. Holy shit. And then things will go up past the previous high. Then they'll drop back down and form a 2 hour pattern buy stop, and then a 3 hour, and then a 4 hour. So right now we know there's been a 30-minute. And look at the pattern. We're missing the 1 hour. Now, if we go back in time, let me show you what this looks like. Oh shit, we ain't got time. 3 minutes to market open. All I can tell you is We now know we can predict the patterns before they ever happen. So now I know there was a 30-minute buy stop because the robot, the Bree bot, told me so. Now I'm waiting for the 1 hour entry. I called the 2 hour because it's for all of the indices, but the 1 hour is next after the 30-minute. There it is. So because the robot told me this, we can go back and I'll show you in time how it did it over and over again, the high probability. Is this crazy? Think of what the robot's doing. It's telling us when there is the correct 30-minute entry. It's going to tell us the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour entry. So now we have the pattern recognition to take any buy stop from 1 second through 1 hour on NAS. And that goes for all other indices because one goes up, they all go up, blah, 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 that whole routine. Does everybody see that? Now we have to sneak out here super quick. Hold on. I have to see what's going on. 5 minutes, we're all hit. 5 minutes, we're all hit. Awesome. Let me see where we're at on this. And maybe we can go all the way down to the 1 second here because we got to get this. Market open in 2 minutes.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I hope that made some sense to you. 1 second buy stop, 1 second buy stop, all indices, 1 second buy stop. You'll see this pink cross, but I think this is going to be open too. We'll just stay right here on the one. Wrong charts, wrong charts. Hold on. Let me recall that. Hold on. I have to see all the charts. That was my fault. Nope, we're correct. 1 second buy stop to the blue line. Specifically, whoa, there we go. Touchdown to the 1 second blue line, SPX. Gorgeous trade. Boy, I almost missed that. 5 second. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line, all indices. You'll see price action at least jump up and touch it before it dips again. It'll go up to this 5 second right here in less than a minute. Do not trade market open, demo trade only. I'm going to stay on after market open so you guys don't have to run off. I'll stay on a little bit after market open this morning. Was that fun? Did you guys learn a few things on that? Yes or no? Did you learn a few things? Yes or no? Market open in less than a minute. Touchdown. We have touchdown. There you go. We have NAS to the 5 second blue line. We have NQ1 to the 5 second blue line. Market open. Stay right here. Buy stop 5 second. Just stay right here. Let it dip. The further it dips, the more it'll go up later. 5 second SPX buy stop to the blue line. 5 second SPX buy stop to the blue line. Just wait right here. This is the one I'm looking at. Oh, I forgot you guys like when I use this thing. Hold on. We're looking right here, right in this one. Right there is where we're looking. You guys like when I show you the visual. So we'll do this right here. Buy stop SPX, all of them are going to go up. You can see over here, US 30, YM1 have gone up. You're about to see this go up. Touchdown. We have ES1 close enough to the blue line. That is a H&H trade. We're good on that trade. Excellent. If you'd like to learn how to trade for once in your life to try to make consistent profits, hey, where'd my thing go? Oh. You can come over, they don't ever run out. I always refill. What's not being refilled is this right here. If you guys don't get in on this thing right here, you're doomed. But over here, this will keep getting refilled for you, so no worries. All right. Just sit right here. Touchdown again, buy stop to the 5 second blue line. And it did touch it this time, and that is your ES1. Touchdown. SPX to the 5 second blue line. You still have time on NAS or NQ1 to get to the 5 second blue line. You have touchdown exactly as called. SPX to the 5 second blue line. Yet again, thank you, God. Hmm. This is just recognizing patterns. That's all you're doing. Anybody have any questions over anything? Anybody have any idea of how I'm able to look, touchdown, touchdown. We have touchdown on SPX. We have touchdown on ES1. We have touchdown to the 5-second blue line. I told you at time on NAS. You have NQ1. You have NAS to the 5-second blue line. You're about to see this 5-second film go up. This will come up. So there you go. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. If you'd like like to learn how to trade to be consistently, my system is made for beginners. It doesn't mean it's easy. If you can't follow simple instructions, and if you can't handle the truth when someone corrects you, do not buy my system. Am I clear? My system isn't for everybody. Some people are like, well, you're the worst salesman ever. I'm not a salesman. I'm here to educate you on how to trade. I can give 2 fucks less if you buy the system or not. I'm trying to help you. Okay. Now listen, when you get the system, my system is not for everybody. Do not get it if you can't follow instructions. We had some dumbass lady, some silly person that couldn't follow instructions complain, and then do not get it if you can't be corrected. Oh, do not get it if you can't take me cussing. Do not get it if you are easily offended. Am I clear on this? I don't want you in the group. I don't want your money. I do not want it. My system is not for anybody. That's funny. I can't even spell the word right. How about that? Everybody. Everybody. That might work. This video is worth a like for everyone. Thank you, Cardman. NQ touchdown. You're correct, Adam. Okay. Am I clear of who shouldn't get the system? Yes or no? I don't want to hear it from some dumbass, some silly person who, oh, it's not that. I never said the system was that easy to learn. Every time I speak of it, Tommy learned the system in an hour. A couple people take 6 months. Some people take a year. I don't know your learning curve. My wife always says it's like learning a new language. I can't learn a new language to save my life. Trades. I'm here to make friends with you. I'm here to make demo money every day. Well, every week for the last 4 years, I have never it from lives. And then I can't stand when there's whining people. Is the new classes recorded? I missed the sign up. What's up, Steven? Correct. Who was this morning over? Did I miss somebody? What's up, Steven? Good morning, Steven. This video is worth a like. Oh, yeah, I'd say it is. Pretty much kick rocks if you have soft. That is correct. I'm getting in a little late. Is the new class record? They're probably going to be recorded almost assuredly, yes. 30-second blue line, 30-second blue line hit. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. 15-second blue line. It's oh, can't help you on that audio thing. I either get one or I get the other. Can't have both. All right, let's see what we got going on. See how these were all red, they're green. Buy stop SPX. Yeah, we have our little cheat sheet right here. This is unbelievably simple. Buy stop ES1 to the 1 minute blue line. SPX buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Let's take a look and see. We're waiting for the little green up arrow, right? To look like that over here on the 1 minute for SPX. So let's go to SPX and see what's going on. The Keithbot is a semi-automatic robot that is a cheat sheet. It tells us where it's going. Oh shit, it must just jumped up. Hold on. Do we already have it or is it coming? This is for SPX? Yeah. SPX 1 minute's just been hit. You're about to see these ones right here change to green. Just like this. And boom, you'll see it. I'll have to go over there and look. I don't know how much time was left on the timer on that one. Maybe we're out of time. I don't know. Let me see real quick. 55 seconds. Nope. We should be over the top now. Let's see. In 55 seconds, let's just sit here and wait. Thanks for the live this weekend. Going to go back and watch them today. Amen. You're welcome, Stephen. Thanks for that. You're welcome, Adam. Okay. Is this the longest 55 seconds ever or did it dip back below? Shit. Come on now. I got things to look at. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook Live. Okay, I don't have time. What the hell? Oh, it dipped below. Buy stop back to the 1 minute blue line, ES1 SPX. These two over here. That's where it's going to go back to. Buy stop back to the 1 minute blue line, US 30. And just be patient. It's going to dip down. Pink has to cross the blue. To come down. This has to hook. This has to probably go to that orange line, then touch and come back up again. Just be patient. 100 pip in NAS. Thank you. Nice, Jan. Congratulations, Jan. You're welcome. Wow. 100 pips. Oh, shit. That used to be like a goal of mine that was unreachable. I remember for years I tried to get to 100 pips a day. Hell, I tried to get to 1 or 2 pips a day, to be honest with you. Couldn't do that for a couple of years. It was horrid. Yeah. Dingy doys, ding dong ding, ding 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 dong ding. I guess we can wait right there. I think I want to go back to the Bree bot though, to be honest with you. Who wants to watch paint dry or who wants to watch the robot, the Bree bot? I want the Bree bot, but whatever. We'll put an alert right there for you. So at least that'll pop up, or this one, I don't care which. Nice, easy open, by the way. That was so easy. NQ trader. Breebot, says Bronny. I agree. All right. Has it come down yet? No, it hasn't touched the orange line yet. We gotta wait. Great work, Jan. With the Satius system, you're 10 times better than a professional trader. Amen to that. That is true. Adam is correct. On average, a professional trader will try to make on a 63% win rate, 10 pips in a day. That's what they're trying to do in a day on multiple trades. They're fractional trading. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're getting lucky. The professional traders know nothing, period. No offense to anyone out there, but they don't, and they know it. I had one guy come on actually and explain that they know nothing. All right. I really want to go over to the Bree-bot. Anyone else? Bree-bot? Well, fuck it. Bronny said it. That's what I'll do. I'm going to go over to the Bree-bot, but I'll be back when these do whatever they're supposed to do here. I'll be coming back to it. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the Bree-bot. All right. As I was explaining, when you have a 30-minute and you don't have the 1 hour yet, the 1 hour will be next. And let's just see how this 1 hour is faring. You were supposed to enter okay, everyone out there that has a system, where was I supposed to enter this trade at on the 1 hour? Where am I supposed to enter the trade at, everybody that has the system or has been trained or has been robbing and just stealing from me the whole time? Where am I supposed to enter this trade at? This is a live trade. This just happened. I called it out. I told you it was going to do. I told you that the robot is calling us to have a 1 hour. Closes the Bree-bot. Where am I supposed to enter the trade at? We have rules. What do the rules say? Go ahead. No one knows. Is that right? I'm going to leave. No one knows where you're supposed to enter the trade at. Is that right? You'd be up 23, 24 pips, which is an excellent trade if you'd have listened to the rules. And it's still going, by the way. The pink, green, or yellow EMA. Orange line. Thank you for answering, Jan. The correct answer is Matt Parker, the orange line. Correct. Thank you, Matt. Thank you for submitting your answer, Jan. And there you go. You'd have made 24 pips. Oh, but it's dipping. I don't care. Oh, there's a sell going on. I don't care. You already made your 24 pips. You should have moved it to break even and been done with the trade. Correct, Jan. You'd have been up probably closer to 30 pips. And now what do? Well, look, it's doing this, it's doing that, it's coming down. Take any 1 second buy stop through, which includes the 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, blah, blah, until the 1 hour hits its orange line. Or in this case, till the blue rises up and comes back to the top again. In this case, if you're using the sniper, you can do without the sniper, you can do with the sniper. Everything we do is with the sniper, by the way. Every code, every buy, every sell, everything is with the sniper. Oh, but it's going down. No shit, because I guarantee you there's a sell. Yep, over here. All we're going to do is when these start making better, watch over here. As these turn red, let's be clear. As these flip to red, right, down, 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 and these go to down, and these go down, down, all it creates is higher time frame buy stops. So what does that look like? Let me draw it instead of do the other. Watch. It'll look like the 4 hour, the 3 hour. They'll start to form these BSs just like you see here on the 60 minute, right? You'll start to see them form on the 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour. And all that means is we're going to make more money as things reverse and come back up again. So this, when you see the buy stops here and here, as this drops, you're going to see them form in the higher time frames here and here and here. And that's all. So we had a nice little push up. We made some money. If you tapped out, you can re-enter the trade again on the 1 hour. Absolutely, feel free. And then you're going to see, yeah, you're going to see this turn into a buy stop here on the, what is this, 1 minute? It's going to hook and come back up and do it all over again. But again, just take your time. We're in zero rush. Look for your buy stops. Be patient. Oh. Right to it, right to it, touched it. Just perfect. System is flawless. Gotta love it. Beautiful. Okay, enough of that. On the core indicators, there was a discussion we had in the Discord whether they should be used or not. Yeah, they're not used. Do you see them on my screen? See, this right here is what he's going to say, this thing right here. So what you do, I don't know if this is the, shit. Let me see something. Okay, good. Yeah, we're good. What you do is you come over here and you take off the shapes. All they were doing was alerting us when certain things changed, but it was impossible. You guys all thought there was a buy arrow or a sell arrow. It's the stupidest thing on earth. Do not use them, to be specific. Ricochet is coming, says Matt. Yeah, in time. Whew. All right. What fun. Good morning. Good morning. All right. TikTokers, YouTubers, any questions before we roll? I'm going to go ahead and go. Might be on later today. Never know. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are going to be my main trading days. I'll try to pull in a Thursday. I might do Fridays. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Not likely, though. Any more questions? Let me kill this off of here. TikTokers, God bless. Everybody have a great day. Thank you all for being here. YouTubers, any questions before I go? It's 100% in the rules not to use them. By the way, they're not in the rules at all. Whoever said that didn't read the rules and they're lying. You're welcome, Matt. You're welcome, Stephen. You're welcome, Jan. Thank you all very much for being here. Look for that 1 hour. I would call it a 2 hour, but whatever, to engage again. It will. Oh, all right. Oh, man, maybe I can go back to sleep. All right. God bless y'all on, well, TikTok's gone. YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Pan fishing. Hope you have a great day too, my brother. All right. Hold on, maybe we can get some fast. No. All right. God bless. Later.